Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video in which I'm going to show you how to download, install and run GTA San Andreas on your Android device. I'm going to show you step by step the easy process on how to do it. To download this game GTA San Andreas, you have to reach the link in the description and go to this website, and here you can choose to download. Here, download GTA San Andreas or choose the mirror link. Here is the mod, and now here you can download the OBB file. Here the second link is the Google Drive link. So after downloading the apps, go back to the menu. Here you have Z-iCover. You have to download this app to Z-iCover Pro. Open it. Now go where you have to go where your file is located. Here I have created a folder GTA. Now click on the APK game. Open. Now install. Just wait a moment for the app to install, and after we will copy the OBB file on the location, on the system location Android OBB folder. It must take a little bit of time. I forgot, you must turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data before installing and running the game. Now click done. Now we have to click on the zip file, which is almost 2 GB. Click on it. Now view. Now press and hold. Now copy. Now you have to choose the location. Here choose device memory, Android. Now OBB. Now paste. This will take a few minutes because the file is almost 2 GB. Now it's almost done. Make sure to turn off your Wi-Fi and your mobile data before running it. Now it's done. Now you can back at the menu. Here we have our setup of our game. You can just click. Now click start again. Now offline. The game will start soon. Here you have it, Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Yeah, let's see the game.
I'll be honest, I ain't got a license. Bang, bang, bang. Straight out, my sense of humor is deadly.
I am so over this.
Too close, babe. Don't sweat. All this is good. Boys,